Alright, yo. So we out here. It's your boy Blupak. I'm in my first slide event, and I'm sitting in the car with my boy
Smooth Hemi _392. Make sure y'all go like, comment, subscribe to my man Blue_Pack. Make sure y'all go like, comment, subscribe to my channel as well, because we going up. Y'all know the vibes.
Yeah, you heard the boy. So check this out, man. We gonna keep it quick, right? Today's video gonna be how you slide a 2021 wide body Scat with the slide master himself.
Nah,
you know
ain't no
what I'm
slide
saying?
master. Hey, look. We gonna make it shake. We gonna make it do what it do. So I'm gonna tell y'all how to do it. All right. So basically, what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the drive. We're gonna press drive modes. We're gonna put that thing in sport mode. Once we put that thing in sport mode, I'm gonna come right down here to my traction. I'm gonna hold my traction till it goes all the way off. You look at the screen.
Boom.
Yeah.
Off.
So we good. We good. So when I got that, we about to swing this thing. We about to get active, man.
So y'all hold on now. You know what I'm saying?
I wanna hop in.
Hey, man.
I just wanna, you know.
We're just trying to be great out here in these streets. You know what I'm saying? My boy Smooth coming up in the world.
Yes, sir. Hey, but we about to get active real quick. I'm gonna go with these people. Oh, hold on now. Hold on.
Right.
I don't like that sound.
If y'all can see me, but it's about that time, y'all.
About that time. We about to get right.
time.
You going around us?
Yeah. Just remember, light that throttle.
Yeah.
Light on the throttle. Don't go
I got you.
Oh, that's Drizzy 2-time, y'all. Another professional slider. You know what I'm saying?
Hold on. All right, baby, the pitch yours. Go get busy.
I was like, yo, my fucking lip, my ass getting wet, bro. Uh-oh. So my boy set the standard, bro. That's how we do it.
That shit was.
That's how we do it. We set the standard. And okay, check out 86 Racing. Alright, y'all. So,
hey,
man,
it didn't go as much as I wanted to the other way, but when I had that thing and rocking with it, it was like that. So,
oh yeah.
But man, like I said, I ain't no rookie. Well, I am a rookie, but I ain't no master.
Right.
But hey, man,
you gotta practice, right?
Practice.
You know what I'm saying?
Perfect. That's all that is.
That's not like, man. Look, my man.
Crazy.
Alright, yo. Hey. So we about to head out of here. You good? You good? We about to head out of here. Enjoy the rest of the show, man. So make sure y'all go like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Go hit up my boy Smooth Hemi _392. And what's your famous saying?
Hey man, say man, it's Smooth Hemi _392. Yes, sir. We out.
All right, yo. Take it easy. Peace.